Next, in JavaScript, we are going to work with the functions. So here we are creating a file, function1 dot html. This is our HTML file. We are going to put the JavaScript in same file. So this is our MX code, and here after body section I'm giving script tag. That means we have to write all the JavaScript within this tag, opening of script tag and closing of script tag. So here I'm declaring a function. So we have to give function keyword and then the name of function, display, and num is the name of function. And here I'm passing one argument to it, and here we are going to define this function. So here I'm saying console.log number value, or we can say number is equals to, and here we are printing that number. So, and we have, this is a function definition, so we have to give here function call. So for this function call will go like this: display num, and here we have taken one argument, so here we have to pass that argument. Here I'm passing 11, so it is going to print 11 on our console window. Right click, inspect, and here we can see that it is printed number is 11. Now we'll see how to take string as an input. So here I'm copying this function only, and here I'm changing the name of function from now display num to display string, and here as an argument I'm giving a1, and here we can say string is, and here we are printing that string. So this is our function definition, and here we are calling this function display string. So for that, display string, we cannot leave this bracket empty because here we have passed a1 as an argument. So here I'm passing one string as an argument, hello JavaScript. Save and go live. So here on the console window we can see that it has printed our second hello JavaScript. String is hello JavaScript. Now third, we are going to pass character as an input. So again, for function we have to use keyword function, and name of that function is display char. And here also I'm passing a2 as an argument, and now here within curly braces I'm giving definition to this function, console.log character value is equals to, and here we are going to print that character, so it is a2, and this is a function definition. So here I'm giving, so first on the top here I'm giving a function call to this character one. So it will go like this: display char is the name of function, we have to give bracket, and within bracket I'm giving within single quotes I'm giving capital A. That means it is going to print this capital A on console. Go live. So first it is going to print character as an input because we made character function call. So character value is A. After that it was display num, which is going to print 11 on console, and third one is string.